Today, I'm going to show you how can you enhance your videos from this to this with a new tool which is Unique Converter. And I'm also going to use After Effects to make some color correction. You can see the side-by-side comparison. I hope you guys like it. So make sure you download the Unique Converter from the description. We have a lot of amazing AI tools in the Unique Converter. The compressor is one of the most useful and amazing tools. You can compress your videos with it without any quality loss. Just make sure you use AI compression, which is best, and then just click on Compress. The size reduced from 20 megabytes to 15 megabytes, which is amazing. Also, we have our re-enhancement, which is super amazing also. Just make sure you try all the models to get your desired quality. And after some enhancement, you will get something like this, which is amazing. So make sure to download the Unique Node from the given link in description. Okay, I'm in the After Effect now. You can see the before and after from here. The above clip is one, the enhanced clip. After that, I'm going to make a color correction so you guys don't have to. I'm going to give this color correction in the description so you guys can add it in one click. As you can see the before and after, it's super amazing and nice. So, I hope you guys like the CC, and make sure to like and subscribe me also, and stay tuned for more videos like...
There's no other way. Yeah, this is the only way. It's me in other me's body.